Yeah, once again, you're most welcome on my videos. Okay, and as you know, my name is Shibutudu, and I, my heartily, I want to tell you that it's my fifth or sixth videos that right now I'm making vlogging videos on the road. And earlier, what happened here, like what I observed, after visiting many places about this state, so it is very clean, and you can't get it anywhere, dirty and plastic or anything, but rarely we get it. Oh my god, now vehicle is going on the road, so I have to be careful. I have to be careful when I go, when I walk. So because we don't know that when we walk, so behind us, if any bus or scooty comes, so that you can observe that what it could be happen with anything with us. Sorry, it could happens with us anything. Okay, that sentence I wanted to say you. Okay, so like that. But yeah, what I observed that here everything is clean, but as compared to our Bihar, that is very different. Okay, so why I'm telling, because here facilities, what I have observed according to me, everything is very nice. Okay, okay, and yeah, when I was coming earlier, when I was coming, so from that way I came. Okay, so that time what happened here, so when I was coming actually, so that time just by making vlogging videos I was coming. So at that day also my experience was very good, what I observed. And yeah, but also I want to tell you that if you want to visit that area, so it is located near to Thrissur. And if you ask to any people, so definitely you will be told about this place. But properly I don't know what is this name, but I can say that it is a Thrissur. Yeah, this place name is Thrissur, like that. And okay, so let me ask to my friend that what we will have. Shall we have something from that shop, or where we will have? Yeah, actually what I asked to them that we want to have something, but friend Virginia, they told me that we don't have here because there is many crowd, a lot of people. That's why we don't want to take. And you might be getting that one. By this way, we can go railway station, Thrissur railway station. Okay, so yeah, by that way, maybe you might be getting many people. They are coming from that way. Okay, so that one is by this way also we can go, but there is a main road. So by that road also we can reach railway station. Okay. So as you know, that one is tea shop, and I had earlier I used to visit that area, but what I felt that because at that time I was new, I was completely new as well. I was not aware. I don't have much, I didn't have much knowledge about related to anything. So I was not understanding what people they were telling. So people was telling to me. Okay. So because when I asked to them that could you please give me any coffee, so I had been given. Yeah, I had been given, but there actually I was asked 10 or 15 rupees like that. Which one was according to me, it was not my level, but because completely like I had it, so the reason I couldn't say anything. Okay, so like that. And yeah, it is a turning point, so I will have to be careful. Otherwise people will say to me that why you are making videos. Because you are making videos, it's okay, but you have to notice what is the hotel, entry, internet, Okay, you might be there. So that one is very big hotel. Okay, big hotel. By that way also I can go, but I thought that it would be better if I go by that way from this side. Okay, like that. And yeah, and here I would like to tell you, dear. Yeah, and I'm not understanding here, like yeah, here almost half 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 kilometers I think we walked. Okay, but I didn't get to see the plastic or any kinds of cover. Then you can observe that how is that city. Okay, so actually that one is hotel. Okay, but I can say that I don't want to spend my money in any hotel or having anything, but yeah, at least 10-20 rupees it is okay. That much money I can spend, because you know that this time I am unable to make it much money, but as much as possible I am trying to earn. Okay, so now they are also coming behind me. I think little bit due to traffic here, that actually this one is main road, so due to main road now you can get to see traffic. Okay, because there is no traffic police today. If there were traffic police, yeah, so definitely it wouldn't be traffic at this time. Okay, it was a conditional too. You can also use it. So little bit I have to take some time. Now my friend, they were telling that we will go railway station, but actually one of who is going ahead us, so he was telling that we will visit railway station, but I told him that no dear, we can go, but without take card we can't go, otherwise we will be planted ना क्या बोलते हैं, planted like that, ये होता है planted like that, I can say here like that, otherwise it could be happen with us, anything we can't say. Actually what is that? So yeah, definitely which one you are getting across the road, there is a shop or what, actually I am not understanding what is that, but definitely when I visit that area, so I'll try to show you everything inside that shop. Okay, yeah, so like that. Yeah, this one also your turning is very dangerous turning point. Okay, yeah, and due to Sunday actually we don't visit much these places here, but we thought that today let's go where we will reach today, and we will still we are wondering, we are walking, but yeah, after sometimes when we will see any good shop or for having or tea, so that time we will try to have something from that shop. Okay, yeah, and here maybe when I was coming, so that time I made it videos over here. It is auto scooters, they have parked hello like that, I can say that. Yeah, okay, yeah, and yeah, but here today I'm not facing anything, because see today due to I can say that traffic. Yeah,